Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. If you do not know, Terra Luna 2.0 is less than 24 hours away, and today I want to show you guys how you can calculate for yourself how much airdrop you will be receiving for the new token. Also, we need to talk about how Binance and a lot of big exchanges are going to be working together to try to help Luna recover and also make it back to the top. This is going to be a big deal for the whole of the crypto market. If you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, completely free to do so, but will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of Luna, they decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at the 1 hour chart and talk about the collapse and the volatility in the market right now, I want to answer a very important question regarding the airdrop. The amount of comments that I see in the comment section, this section is going to help all of you guys out. Now, when is the airdrop going to happen? It is going to be on the 27th of November, which will be tomorrow for most of you guys, and the time will be 4 p.m. UTC. Now, obviously, give it 24 hours from this point on for everyone to receive their airdrop, as slowly it will be coming out to everyone. Now, how much airdrop or allocation will I be given? Now, this will actually depend on the exchange that you actually bought Luna through. So the total supply is going to be 1 billion starting off. Now 1 billion for Luna pre-attack, 1 billion, and that's just everyone knows that. Now when we talk about more things, let's say you decided to buy on an exchange that has a pre-attack holding of 10 million Luna and 100 million UST, 10 million post-attack and 100 million post-attack. Now what is going to happen is, let's say your asset was 100 Luna before the attack happened and you had 10k in UST, and then after the attack you had 100 and 10k, you did not decide to pour any money in. Now to calculate exactly how much you will be receiving, this is the calculation you will have to go through. So you guys know, pre-attack Luna holders will be receiving 35% of the allocation, and 100% of the allocation is going to go to the community. So you simply need to go 35% total supply, which will be 1 billion. Then you just need to put in the pre-attack or owned by your exchange. So for the exchange that we will be using, for example, that will be 10 million. That will be divided by the total supply pre-attack, which was 1 billion. So for you, you will be receiving 3.5 million Luna. Now that will be distributed to everyone that was holding on to Luna with that exchange before the attack happened. And the same thing happens with the UST. So 10 million will be distributed on that specific exchange, and post-attack people will be receiving 1 million and 15 million. So in total, the exchange will be given 30 million Luna tokens. Now let's say you want to calculate for yourself now, so that will be your exchange. So your exchange will be distributing 3.5 million Luna to the people who were holding on to Luna pre-attack, and let's say you were holding on to 100 Luna. To do your calculation in terms of how much you will receive, you simply need to put in the Luna that you had pre-attack divided by the total that your exchange had pre-attack, and times it with obviously how much your exchange is given, which is 3.5 million, and that comes to 35. Another thing is, if you guys want to calculate how much you will be receiving from pre-attack UST, let's say your exchange is going to be given 10 million, you had 10,000 divided by 100 million, which is your exchange had in pre-attack, and times it with 10 million, which is obviously how much they will be receiving. So you will be receiving 1,000 Luna. Post-attack, it's a little bit lower, which is 1 million. That's how much your exchange will be receiving. You simply need to put in how much you had divided by 10 million, times it with how much your exchange is receiving, and you guys will be given 10. And finally, for UST after, they will be receiving 15 million, so that will be just 10k divided by 100 million times 15, given 1,500 Luna. And when you add all of them up, it comes to 2,545, and that is the total Luna that you will be airdropped. I know it sounds complicated, but if you guys do the maths, it's actually very simple. You just need to find out how much your exchange had pre-attack, post a tag, do the calculation how much they will be receiving, and then you can do it for your individual, or you can also do it for multiple wallets. Now this will depend per person, it will be a little bit different, and at the same time this is the best calculation you can see right now. Now another thing which I want to show you guys is look at the chart. It is sitting on a very strong support right here. It has been tested quite a bit in the previous past, but right now it is a very crucial point as Bitcoin and Ethereum did actually recover. Ethereum is a little bit slower, but Bitcoin made a recovery back to 29k very quickly, and as you guys can see, Luna is in a very volatile market as release of Terra 2.0 is actually very close. Another thing is, if you decide to look at Terra Classic on CoinMarketCap, you guys can see the trading volume has dropped close to 70%, which is insane as it is down to 310 million, and at the same time the market cap is over a billion, and the trading volume to the market cap ratio should be close to 30, but it hasn't been updated as the momentum is way too quick. Another article which will give you a little bit quick roundup in what is going to happen is Terra 2.0 is not going to have an algorithmic stablecoin, which was UST for the original one, and it will be listed on a lot of different exchanges at release, which is Binance, Huobi, KuCoin, Bitrue. There are some big ones that will be added. Now how much you will receive, as we have talked about, if you do the calculation you can know the exact amount, and personally the calculation isn't even that hard. If you guys just let me know down in the comment section how much you have, I can try to do the calculation for some of you guys and try to respond to your comment. I'll try my best to respond to as many people, but if I don't respond to some of you guys, then hey, don't be angry at me, okay? Now talking about something else which is very important you guys do not fall for. Scammers fake Luna 2.0 token airdrop, send millions of token to Vitalik, Justin and 3AC. Now keep in mind that these people are smart enough to understand that these are just fake tokens we do not have to worry about, but you guys do not fall for any scam emails or scam messages you receive on Telegram saying, hey, do you want to buy Luna 2.0, as this is a perfect time for scammers to try to steal your money. So be very careful and be cautious. Do not send your money to anyone. Now crypto developers are saying they signal to commit to help Terra rise from the ashes again. Now the main reason there will be a lot of hype around this and a lot of big investors will try to help Luna recover is this is actually putting a very bad image for crypto to a lot of audience that are new to crypto, as if this does not recover, this means that crypto, any of them, can completely crash and vanish and steal your money pretty much, and that will actually put a very bad image, and that's why a lot of people are going to try help Luna recover, so a lot of trust is back into it. Now Binance is going to be helping in this and try to get the airdrop to as many people as possible, which is really good because you guys know Binance is the largest crypto exchange, and if they do decide to help Luna in this bad time, it is obviously going to help out in the long run. And finally, look at this. Luna market cap slumps under 1 billion as we just got over that again, but it is starting to climb back up as the hype is starting to build up, and the hype is just going crazy. Global interest surges as the new Terra blockchain set for Friday launch, and it's less than 24 hours away, and a lot of people are searching for Terra 2.0, trying to figure out what is going to be the next feature for Luna and how this is going to impact a lot of people. So trading Luna 2.0 on release will be very scary, so be very cautious in terms of how much you want to trade and how much you want to risk. But let me know down in the comment section if you guys have any other questions. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.